Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add the Midjourney to your own server so you can create image in your own server. So first of all you need to go to any newbies channel here, just click on any newbie channel here. After opening a newbie channel, in the right here, as you can see there's the option called Midjourney Bot here. So if you have to click on it, Midjourney Bot, and here you'll see option called Add to Server here. So just click on the Add to Server here. Then you have to choose your server here. So you can create a server or you can choose any server that you want. So just choose a server here, click continue and click authorize. Then just click on I am human here. Then just fill up this captcha here. That's it. Your Midjourney bot is authorized and you can use the Midjourney in your own server here. So if I go to my server, as you can see, Midjourney bot joined the party. So if I try to generate the image here, as you can see, here's the image in prompt here. So if I tap in prompt here, get the copy and paste here, so let's just generate an image with the image in prompt here. As you can see, Midjourney bot is waiting to start my prompt here. So as you can see, that's how you can use the Midjourney bot in your own server to create image with Midjourney. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.